Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 48. ISSEOYO. ISSEOYO. The word ISSEOYO is used to say I have or there is. This could also be used to say that something is at a certain location. How do you write ISSEOYO in Hangul? This is composed of 3 syllables. For the first syllable, it or is, we need to draw first a placeholder iyang followed by an e character followed by a sangsiyot or double siyot character. For the second syllable o, we need to draw first a placeholder iyang and an o character. And for the last syllable yo, we need to draw a placeholder iyang and the yo character. Now let's try looking into this example sentence. It says 시간 있어요. 시간 있어요. And this sentence could be subdivided into 2. The first part is 시간, which means time, and the second part is 있어요, which is our word for today. And one interpretation or use of this is to ask whether you have something or not. So when we combine these two, it would result to 시간 있어요, which is the same as asking, do you have time? So with that, you've just learned 있어요. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 38 to 47. But don't forget our word for today, word number 48, 있어요, and this is used to say there is, it exists, or I have. The first word for our review is word number 47, 정말, and this is used to say really or very much. Next word is 미안해, and this is used to say I'm sorry in an informal manner. Next word is 집, and this is used to say home. Next word is 시간, which means time. Next word for our review is 고양이, which means cat. Next word for our review is 학생, which means student. Next word is word number 41, 아니에요, which is used to say it is not. Word number 40 is ne or de, and this is used to say yes in a polite and casual manner. Next word is Aniyo, and this is used to say no in a polite manner. And the last word for our review is word number 38, check, which means book. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.